talking to you. I thought we'd be smarter. I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Finished a game of volleyball, but it is starting to rain. Matthias is still playing. They're playing a second round, but everyone's starting to go in due to the rain. Don't know what me and Matthias have planned, as technically our hotels aren't even near here. Might take a bus back, but oh, just on my toe, that hurt. Oh, they're gonna finish this game. All right, again with the mate. Let's go. Did you put more of it this time?
It's hot?
Yeah, it's hotter than last time.
Sweet?
No, not sweeter, stronger.
Stronger, okay. Okay. Mate.
Mate.
Drink.
Argentina drink?
Argentina drink.
That's good, then I'll be able to tell Marcelo. Yeah, very close name to my friend. Yeah, my Argentina friend is Marcelo.
Okay.
He went to China with me to train in martial arts. That's how I met him.
Okay.
So he did martial arts in China for 5 months.
5 months.
With me. I did 6 months, but he left, or he arrived earlier. So we trained for a long time together. So when I go to Argentina, I'll see him there. I don't know if I'll see you there. You'll maybe be in
Maybe, why not?
Australia.
Oh yeah, that's
Maybe you'll be in Australia. But I'll let you know when I get to Argentina.
Yeah, probably I will be in Sydney.
Oh, in Sydney.
Yeah.
Still on the beach. The sun came back to bless us, so that's very nice. Although the hotel people did not come back to play some volleyball, unfortunately. But no, just soaking up the sun, trying to relax and enjoy. Well, I still have another week. I might leave Mexico early, as I think I've seen everything I wanted to. I might go to Rio Secreto, which is one of the nicest cenotes in Mexico. But we'll play it by ear. Tomorrow should be another relaxing day, and we'll go from there. Yeah, I've seen that place. I've been there a little bit. It's kind of like just like a park, and then they all go there to dance. I'll show you. On the weekend, I see a lot more people, but weekday, okay, hold on. I know how to say this in Spanish. The weekend is like final de semana, right?
Weekends, fin de semana.
Fines, so fine?
Not plural.
Fin de semana. That's how you say weekend. So fin de semana, muy, how do you say people? More people? Which is muy, mucha gente, mucha gente. And then de semana, less. So, start to come here. Yeah, this is a beautiful sunset. This is great, honestly.